How to create and verify a Payoneer account in 2024. First, enter the URL for Payoneer, which is payoneer.com. When the welcome screen appears, click on Open Your Account to create a Payoneer account and get access to a multi-currency account that can help you pay and receive payments from others worldwide. Now choose the right Payoneer account that best suits your preferences. For this tutorial, let's go in for freelance or SMB. Before we hit register, let's scroll down and acquaint ourselves with the benefits associated with Payoneer. After registering, you can get paid by leading marketplaces, including Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. You can get paid to your global clients. You can also withdraw your earnings to a local bank at a lower rate. Withdraw funds at ATMs. And above all, pay suppliers and subcontractors for free. That's it. As you can see, registering for a Payoneer account is worth it. Just hit on the register and a sign up page for Payoneer appears. For this tutorial, let's go in for an individual account. Enter your first name, last name, and email address, and re-enter your email address to confirm. Followed by your date of birth, and click Next to continue. Select your country, enter your street and your number. The mall address is optional, but you can enter your postal address, the city and the town. Add postal or zip code. Now add your phone number. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the verification code and hit Next. By entering the email and the password. Now select a security question and provide an answer. You may need this answer later on. Select your country and enter a national ID, driving license, and passport number. For this tutorial, let's use the national ID and click Next to proceed. Now fill the bank account details. Remember, we opted for the individual accounts. Select your country. Mine is Ghana. The country currency is Ghana cedis. Enter the bank account number, the source code, and agree to the terms and conditions, privacy and cookies policy, as well as pricing and fees, and hit Submit. Now your Payoneer account has been completed and submitted successfully. You have to wait for a few minutes as your complete application goes through a review process. When the review is completed, your application is approved and you will receive an email confirmation and will be able to receive payments in your account. I have received the confirmation email. You can catch a glimpse of it. Now let's sign in with our Payoneer account by entering the email and the password, and then click Sign In. Oops, Payoneer has added a two-step verification, which adds an extra security layer to the account. If you are not interested in this, just click Not Now to skip it. For this tutorial, let's click Turn On to receive a verification code. Enter the code and hit the Submit button. Your application is approved. By default, your Payoneer account comes with a US bank account. a Euro bank account, and more. But there is a caveat to that. One needs to reach a certain threshold of 5,000 US dollars in your Payoneer account before these bank accounts would be approved and be fully functional. Recently, others have found a way of circumventing this threshold with 50 US dollars. When we become fully aware of this trick and it is legal, we'll make a tutorial of it in our subsequent videos. TechTricksGh, share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.